E ngā iwi o te motu, nau mai, hara mai ki tēnei pō whakahirahira. And ladies and gentlemen, a big warm welcome to everyone and thank you for joining us in the E Tū Whānau and Dysart Kahukura Awards for 2022. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The Kahukura concept of leadership has grown to be an essential part of the E Tū Whānau kaupapa and our belief in community-led change. On the leadership journey, E Tū Whānau Kahukura model values, behaviours and actions that are positive footprints for others to follow. Mā mua ka kite a muri, mā muri ka ora a mua. Those who lead give sight to those who follow, and those who follow give life to those who lead.
We're also here to pay tribute to Anne Dysart, no te rarawa ia, after whom this award has been named.
It's obvious that her spirit is alive in a lot of people around the motu, and this is just one contribution to keeping that spirit alive.
The future for me is what people in their whānau and their communities do for themselves. And I think that's one of our strongest things, is we're not there to do two, we're there to support people doing it for themselves.
It's now time to introduce our Kahukura finalists. How are you feeling about the whole thing?
We're all part of this legacy from Anne. We are placing ourselves towards the future.
Our rangatahi are absolutely incredible. For the mahi that they produce is the reason why we are here tonight.
The mihi to all of those people, every whānau that we're touching, the kaupapa around E Tū Whānau, it's just blown us away, to be honest.
We're going to cross live to our roving reporter, Mr. Te Kahu Rolliston.
What's the mission, mother? I know we're close to where we need to be.
All right, so you don't know where you're going, but you're really close to where you need to be. That's an awesome one. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. This is the very beautiful Macy Rika. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the E Tū Whānau and Dysart Kahukura Awards is Waitomo Papakainga.
Nothing is done by an individual. Waitomo is a kaupapa, and I am so proud to say that Anne Dysart was instrumental in creating and helping us to create the vision to move forward into a place that has no violence for whānau. Nō reira, tēnā rā koutou katoa.
Big round of applause to Waitomo Papakainga anō. To all of our finalists here tonight, to all of the whānau right around the motu, thank you very much. Have a good night. Peace. We love you. E Tū Whānau, te manakaha o te whānau. Check us out on Facebook.
Rangatira te kōrero, nā he rangatira hoki, no te rarawa.